Nick, how do you think CCI's proposed methodology will benefit the project?
Well, as you're well aware by now, CCI have proposed a solution to the overall project to minimise the impact on the existing school. So what we'll do during the ECI stage is we'll agree on a scope and a budget to demolish the existing parish hall during the school break to minimise the effect on the school. Now what that will enable us to do is, once we get back into the new year, it will enable us a fresh start at working on the foundations and the new build up here, which will then enable us to move over down to the new church. Once we start on the new church, we will have a more defined approach on how the job will run, all the while the two stages are running at the same time.
Nick, what do you think the main opportunities are for improving buildability to prove value to the project, including cost, program and quality?
Well, at CCI, one of our massive things that we pride ourselves on is being able to deliver a project from concept to completion. Now we think with us being on board and being involved with Studio Pacific and their wider team, that will enable us to fish out all of the problems during the ECI phase. With CCI, one of our big things we want to involve is, during that ECI process, is having subs come on and being involved as early as we can. So once we hit that date where we start the project, we should have a seamless project from that point on.
Stefan, what do you consider the key risks CCI will need to manage on this project?
Some of the key risks here are the children's daycare, the general public, people entering the parish, tradies coming and going. So coming up with a clear access plan and communication between all parties is key here to maintain a safe site and make things flow and keep everybody happy and on board.
Nick, what is your strategy for managing all the stakeholders associated with this project?
Well, one of the advantages of the ECI phase and the initial development is that we get a real chance to bring those key stakeholders on board and really involve them in the project. What this enables us to do is get their input on how we're going to run the project, so it minimises the impact that it will have on them.